Welcome to the Android channel, and this is a Android quick tip. If you're wondering how to increase the size of the fonts of the text in your Android device, it's something that a lot of people want to do, and especially if you have some problems with your eyes, you have some kind of disability, or maybe as we get older, we sometimes need a little help in viewing. So how do you change the font size of every app and every options in your phone so that everything's a little bigger? Well, you've got your settings. Settings is that little pinwheel, or it might be a little square on some devices with kind of little sliders on them, and it says parameters or settings. If you don't see it on your main screen, you can go into the little dots, which is pretty much all the apps. And there you will go into settings. On the left side, you'll have display. Click on display, and on display you will see font size. Click there. Now mine isn't huge for a simple reason. This is an Android TV box on an HD TV, a 50-inch TV. And a small font when you're 10 feet or 15 feet away is kind of small to read on a screen. So I've put huge, but you can check the different fonts. There's small, there's normal. As you see here, this is small, very, very small. If we go to normal, it's a little bigger, and so on. So you choose the one that works the best for your options. One word of caution here is that when you actually increase the font size, remember that you'll have less and less information on your screen. Especially the smaller the device you're using, the less information will be on that screen, and it can sometimes cause problems with certain apps or certain options where you'll be left with text that actually goes off the screen, or you might need to actually scroll left and right, and stuff like that can happen. So you'd be warned that playing with the font size can have these kinds of effects on your device. It affects almost everything, including apps that you will install. There are exceptions. Some apps have their own font sizes, have their own way of displaying text, and might not be affected by this setting. But a lot of what you're doing, everything in the phone, and pretty much I'd say the majority of apps will have the text changed thanks to this setting. So that's where you need to go. As I said, the easiest, go into your settings in your phone. In the settings, click on the left side on display and click on font size, and there you'll have different size. Now I have 4: small, normal, large, and huge. Some phones will have more, some will have less, and it's sometimes dependent on the size of the display that you are using. Also, its resolution type. So I hope this helps. If you've been having some difficulty in reading text on your phone because of some disability of somehow, or maybe because you simply have, as we get older, we all have more and more difficulty reading small prints. So this is a great thing to do. Hope you enjoyed our videos. Please, if you do, subscribe to our channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, something about Android you'd like to know, an app that you'd like us to review, let us know. We'll try to post that video online. Thank you for watching.